drivers behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go!
Qualification match number 19 has begun. Looks like 2 robots on that Blue Alliance moving away from the starting line. A third one joining them as well, including a scored Coral on the Red Alliance. It looks like all 3 robots off that starting line as well. 1 Coral scored up onto that high level 4 branch. Teleop begins. Robotics, Coral in hand, successfully scoring it up onto that level 4. Bond Brigade for the Red Alliance heading over to the processor with an algae in hand. Gonna see if they can get that in there for the 6 points, and they do so successfully. Blue Alliance side, Redbird Robotics lining themselves up with a Coral, successfully getting that onto level 2. Their teammates, Ignition, trying to line themselves up as well. Looks like having some issues in the driver's station. Thankfully for them, they did get that figured out. Sparta Robotins for the Blue Alliance over on the Red Alliance side of the field, trying to stay in front of that human player station, trying to do their best, looks like, to keep Thorbots out of that. Unfortunately, though, it does look like the Sparta Robotins do have Coral inside the frame of their robot. Gonna have to be careful to see if they can get that Coral outside of the frame of their robot. Ignition knocking an algae off of that reef. Just over a minute remaining in the match. Red Alliance already having completed their half of the cooperation. Ignition for the Blue Alliance, lining themselves up with an algae on the force, trying to pick it up if they can. Lots of Coral up on that high level 4 of the reef for the Red Alliance. Another algae coming off of the reef from Robotics. Thorbots lining up another Coral in hand, getting it successfully onto that high branch. 30 seconds remaining in the match. Robotics for the Red Alliance already lining themselves up with their deep cage. And Robotics goes up as 20 seconds remain in the match. Thorbots going over to the barge, almost knocking themselves over. Luckily for them, able to maintain themselves up, trying to get themselves up on that deep cage with 5 seconds remaining. 4, 3, 2, 1. It is a Red Alliance win. 117-44. However, there has been a yellow card issued during that match to team 5903 due to rule G210, which is